Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix estimating time remaining. When you try to download iOS 17, it's stuck on estimating time remaining. Then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on general. From here guys, you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to go to date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. Then go back from here, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to go to VPN and device management and just simply you have to delete that profile if you have any downloaded profile. Then close this page. Let me tell you that if you have scheduled when your iOS update will be downloaded, so you have to delete your schedule. So from here guys, you have to go to general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on software update and just simply have to go to automatic update. Just simply have to turn off the automatic update. Then close this page, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to make sure that you have enough battery in your iPhone. If you don't have, just simply you have to uh, connect the charger with your iPhone and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings, scroll down, then tap on general. From here you have to make sure that you have minimum 4 to 5 GB storage in your iPhone and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then also make sure that your package is enough. Okay guys, just simply you have to open the settings. If you're using mobile data, turn to Wi-Fi or vice versa and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down. From here guys, you have to tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer, reset iPhone. From here you have to reset your network setting and then close this page. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser in your phone. And from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to search for beta profile.tab. Once you have searched for this, after that you can easily see here the new profile option. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to download that profile. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.